short clip by Bishop Doug Hewitt Mills Ministries. Discover how God can change your life forever.
I'm talking about missions. Going into the nations of the world to die there for God and to stay there and fight till it's over. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about giving your life. I'm talking about giving yourself. A chicken and a pig were walking. They were in a farm. And they saw one of the workers going by. And he looked very, very hungry. Very tired. And they were discussing. And they said, this man is going to die soon. We have to give him something to eat. And the pig said, that's a good idea. So the pig asked the chicken, what do you think? What do you suggest that we give the man? And the chicken said, let's give him some bacon and eggs. And the pig said, what? Bacon and eggs. So I'll give the eggs, you give the bacon. And the pig asked the chicken, do you understand what you are saying? If I have to give bacon, it means total commitment. It means that for this man to eat, I'm finished. I'm done. My life is over. But you see, God is calling us today not to lay a couple of eggs. I wish Pastor Prince was here because he would give me the term. There's a term for chickens that have laid a lot of eggs for years, and then they sell them. Can you send Pastor Prince a text, please? Ask him the name of the chicken that has laid a lot of eggs and spent layers. Is that what it is? Who is that? Who is that? Are you a chicken farmer? And they cannot be eaten, isn't it? It's very, very, very hard. You cannot bite it. You see, after laying eggs and eggs and eggs and eggs and eggs and eggs, and then now you want to give yourself, your meat is now too hard. When you should have given yourself, when you were soft and useful and succulent and nice and tasty. You said, I'll just lay eggs. And you've laid eggs and you lay eggs for years. Till you realize that even if you lay eggs for 100 days, it does not come to the equivalent of giving yourself. You can never compare somebody who has given himself and somebody who has given something. They are different things. And that is what world missions is about.